Today is a good day, guys. You know why? We are finally getting some black hardware onto the Widebody FRS. And also, we're gonna try to get that tire fixed so I can actually drive the car. Somehow try to drive the car. I don't know, it might make it out. There's some gravel spots here and there. That would probably help me get out of here. I think I might try it. Let's jump into the shop. So as you guys can see, the car's really coming along. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing today. Right here, there should be washers on there, but there's not. I guess I just didn't feel like putting them on yet. But I'm gonna be putting, the ones I have, or ones I ordered with these are gray because the car was originally gonna be gray. So I've ordered black ones. So that is gonna look super nice. And then this rear tire back here, the bead is torn. I think it's on the inside of the tire. So we need to get that wheel pulled off and brought into the tire shop and get that fixed. Interiors are really coming along. We got the Brom seats in and also my radio. So if you have not seen those videos, guys, I would highly suggest you do. The APR meters come tomorrow, as well as a little carbon fiber trunk clip. Just something to hold me over until I can get my APR wing in. It's still being built. Exhaust is on. Still no word on the diffuser as of this video. Maybe you're watching this after I get a new diffuser on. But the car's really coming along. So let's go check out this hardware. I'll show you guys exactly what I am working with. So this is the same brand of hardware, Z-Spec, I think Z-Spec design. It's actually like the same exact price to order a full new kit over just getting the washers themselves. So that's why I just went with the full kit, guys. Grab a pack, head over to the car, and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. So what we're gonna do, pull out a bolt, and then we're gonna do the bolt through the black washer, and then use this little rubber. I don't even know what exactly it's for. Maybe to just protect the wrap or the paint, whatever you're running. A little something like that, guys. Should look pretty good all said and done. So I'm gonna set the camera back a little bit and just run a nice little time lapse for this front fender. Alright guys, the hardware is fully installed on the car, looking amazing. It's not that big of a difference to be honest, but it's just a little subtle mod. Next up is to fix that tire. So I'm gonna pull the car forward, get that back jacked up, get the wheel pulled off, and then we can bring it into the tire shop and get that thing fixed. So we can actually finally drive this car. Weather's looking pretty good outside. Alright guys, I'm going to bring this into the tire clinic, let's get this thing fixed up. I'm not going to bring you along with because you guys have came there 100 times with me. So I'll see you in about an hour when I get back. And maybe we'll go on a little drive, maybe we'll do some other work to the car. Well guys, for some reason the tire shop was closed today. Not really sure why. It's kind of crazy. It is a Monday and they're always open on the Mondays, so kind of weird. Either way, they're closed, so I'm gonna bring that wheel and tire in tomorrow, get that thing fixed up. But now for the rest of today's video, I think we're pretty much done. There's nothing else I can do to this car. Like I said earlier, the mirror's coming tomorrow. That carbon fiber trunk clip comes in tomorrow. And then I'm not really sure when the wing's coming in, so I guess we'll wait and see on that. But I guess that is gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I know it's kind of short. All we did was install this hardware, but if you guys want to pick some of this hardware up, I'll have the link to the website down in the description box below. It was like a Z-Spec design or something. And also, one second, I have a full set of hardware from them. It's the same exact kit I have on here, except it has gray washers instead of black. So if anyone wants this, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll have it right down here at the bottom of the screen. Shoot me a DM and we'll figure something out. I'll sell it pretty cheap because I don't need it anymore. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner up there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.